Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. With so many different models within the Dyson V series, it's hard to know which is best. Today, we're going to do a deep dive comparison on the most powerful models. So let's go ahead and dive in. At Modern Castle, we test vacuum cleaners on 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. The Dyson V series vacuums all performed incredibly well on our tests. They all achieved debris removal scores of 98% or more. Our cleaning scores are based on the percentage of total debris by weight removed by the vacuum during our tests. Dyson V15 performed fantastic across the board, with an overall debris removal score of 99.3%. Among the 5 models we're comparing today, it has the highest suction at 230 air watts. In addition, it's the only model to feature a floor-facing green laser on the fluffy roller head, which helps to better illuminate fine particulates that might otherwise be invisible to the naked eye. The Dyson Outsize, formerly known as the V11 Outsize, has an average debris removal score of 99.6%. It is the second highest suction vacuum in this comparison at 220 air watts. Its most notable unique cleaning feature is the high torque XL cleaner head, which is 12.5 inches wide or 25% larger than the standard width. The Dyson V11 removed 99.8% of debris overall. We used the high torque cleaner head on all floor types and it was able to effectively clean nearly all debris. The V11 is the first V-series vacuum we've tested where the multi-surface brush roll performed as well on hard surfaces as it did on carpets. Dyson V10's debris removal score was a 99.5%. The absolute version includes both the torque drive cleaner head and the fluffy soft roller. When we tested the torque drive head on hardwoods, the V10 pushed large debris forward instead of sucking it up. However, with the fluffy soft roller head, it was able to clear nearly all debris on hardwood floors. We used the torque drive head for our carpeted test and found it to be incredibly effective. The Dyson V8 scored a 98.7% overall. Like the V10, the V8 Absolute version includes the fluffy soft roller head. Without the soft roller, the direct drive head pushed large debris forward on hard floors, resulting in a debris removal score of 89%. However, with the soft roller, it cleaned nearly all debris from hard floors. Carpet cleaning was quite good, other than a slight struggle on rice on high carpets. We ran runtime tests on each V-series model on each of their power modes. All runtime tests were completed with the corresponding full-size multi-surface brush roll included. We began at a full charge and depressed the trigger continuously until the battery died. There are many similarities in design between these 5 models. They all can be used as a stick or handheld, and they use the quick release system to switch attachments and tools. They all have a trigger on-off system, as well as multiple power modes. One major difference is the shape of the motor. V8 cyclones are arranged perpendicular to the wand, while other models are arranged in line with the wand. This allows the inline models to have a larger dustbin and higher suction power, according to Dyson. Additionally, the V15, Outsize, and V11 use a click-in battery, while the others do not. These models also include a digital display on the back of the body that can show remaining runtime and other updates. The V15 has an advanced sensor that detects the sizes of debris being removed and reports that to users on the rear display. As mentioned, the dustbin sizes are considerably different. The Outsize has the largest dustbin, while the V8 has the smallest. Size and weight is similar between the models, with the exception of the much larger Outsize. The Outsize also has a wider high torque XL cleaner head and a larger dustbin, both of which increases overall size and weight. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying any of the vacuums in today's video. As for power specifications, there are differences between these models in the number of cyclones, motor speed, and suction power. Dyson V8 has a 2-tier 15 cyclone system. The V10, V11, and V15 have a rearranged inline motor with 14 cyclones. The Outsize has a similar shape, but is larger and has 18 cyclones. The V8's motor can spin up to 110,000 RPMs, while the other 4 models can spin up to 125,000 RPMs. Suction power has quite a wide range. The V15 has double the suction power of the V8 with 230 air watts on boost mode. While all other models have good suction, there is a clear and significant step up after the V11. The V11 is capable of 185 air watts on boost, with further increases on newer models. Accessories vary greatly between the models and variants. We've mentioned the different cleaning heads that are available with different model variants. Here's a chart of the accessories available with each model. As you can see, all models come with a charger, wall mount, as well as combination tool, crevice tool, and dusting brush. Additional accessories vary by model variant. Accessories can also vary based on region and retailer. We recommend always double checking the product description to make sure it has all the relevant accessories you're looking for. One of the major highlights for the Dyson vacuums is the convenient 2-in-1 design. All models use the red button quick release system. This enables you to quickly change cleaning tools, convert to and from handheld mode, and remove or attach the extension wand. Several other features that make the vacuum more convenient are available only on certain models. As mentioned, the digital screen on the V15, Outsize, and V11 helps users keep track of runtime, cleaning modes, and maintenance updates. The V15 has an advanced debris sensor and upgraded cleaning statistics that can be shown on its digital screen. This also allows the V15 to adjust suction power based on floor type and debris size. The V15, Outsize, and V11 include a click-in battery that can be charged separately from the vacuum or while clicked in. The Outsize includes an additional battery. The newest high-tech upgrade is the laser slim fluffy cleaning head included on the V15 Detect and Outsize Absolute Plus. This is a more advanced version of previous soft roller heads. It also adds a green laser that shines on the floor in front of the roller to light up small particulates. Like previous versions of the fluffy soft cleaner head, it is both removable and washable. If you like this video, please get subscribed. You'll get automatic updates from YouTube when we release new videos. It's a big help to our channel, and it's totally free. All Dyson V-Series vacuums have fantastic maneuverability. They are lightweight and have a turning radius of 90 degrees. They can lay completely flat so users can clean under and around furniture with ease. Converting to handheld and using attachment tools allows users to reach virtually any part of the room, office, car, and elsewhere. As for maintenance, users need to empty the dustbin, charge the battery, and wash the filter. To empty the dustbin, point the vacuum into a trash can and then press the release lever to open the bin. This process is slightly different on the V8 due to the vertical design. To wash the filter, simply remove it from the unit, rinse it with cool water, and allow it to air dry for 24 hours or until it is completely dry. You should wash the filter around once a month. The battery will need to be replaced eventually. In 2018, James Dyson was quoted saying the V10 battery should last up to 15 years. The V11, Outsize, and V15 batteries should be expected to last this long as well. The V8 battery can be expected to last around 5 years. Battery life depends on frequency of use, among a number of other factors. In addition, we took decibel measurements for each model on its various power modes. Here's a quick noise level demo for each model. So, which Dyson V-Series vacuum is best for you? All these vacuums are powerful, lightweight, and convenient. Differences come down to cleaning head, suction power, and advanced features like the digital screen. I recommend the Dyson V15 if you want advanced debris detection. The internal sensor is highly advanced, and it allows the V15 to adjust its suction power based on floor type. The digital display gives detailed data about the particulates that have been collected. In addition, the V15's inclusion of the laser slim fluffy head makes it easier to see fine dust and particles. I recommend the Dyson Outsize if you need to clean extra large spaces. It has a wider cleaning head, a larger dustbin capacity, and 2 click-in batteries. These features combine into a vacuum that can run longer and clean larger areas more effectively. I recommend the Dyson V11 if you want a good value. It has great cleaning performance at a lower price than the V15 and Outsize. It still has the digital screen and is able to adjust suction power based on floor type, although the sensors are not as advanced as the V15. While it misses some of the bleeding edge features around the V15 and Outsize, it's still incredibly easy to use and powerful. I recommend the V10 if you want more of a budget buy. It should be said, it's more of a budget buy relative to other Dyson V-Series vacuums and not the wider market of vacuums. It has many of the same features as the V11 at an even lower price. The main difference is the lack of the digital screen. It was able to achieve a high performance score on our cleaning test. If you're looking for great performance without all the bells and whistles, the V10 is a great choice. With respect to the V8, for most consumers, I think the V10 would be a better buy. The V10 has 20 extra minutes of runtime, an inline configuration, larger dustbin, more suction, and upgraded tools. For most consumers, the V10 is the better choice. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have questions, please drop us a note down below. Do you have a Dyson at home? We'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying any of the models we featured in today's video. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.